Hi, my name is Missy, and for my redo speech, I am going to be doing how to take a blood pressure properly. Previously, I went over all of the risks and the reasons why you should be taking a blood pressure, but for this one, I want to really show you the machine and the arm and the dial on how to take a blood pressure properly. So for the patient, you want to have them sitting in a proper position with their back straight against the chair. You want them to have their feet flat on the floor. You want to make sure that you have the proper equipment to take a blood pressure. You want to make sure that the cuff is the correct size for the patient. Jocelyn, my volunteer here, is a little bit on the smaller side, so I'm going to use a standard cuff for her. As you can tell, I am wearing scrubs and I do work in a doctor's office. I do take blood pressures on a daily basis as part of my job, so I do have quite a bit of knowledge on how to take a proper blood pressure. So for my patient, I'm going to take the left arm, as that is the proper arm to take it on. I'm going to feel at the bend of the elbow, right here at the crease. You feel for the brachial artery. I'm going to place the cuff on her arm. Now she does have a long sleeve shirt on, so when you go to the bend, if you do 2 fingers above is where you're going to place the cuff. That is usually about 1 inch above the bend in the elbow. You're going to leave 2 finger space between the skin and the blood pressure cuff to allow for the stethoscope to go in. Going to place the stethoscope on the pulse. Going to move the dial clockwise to the closed position. Then you're going to pump this sphygmomanometer up. Usually you go to 160. And then you're going to decrease it by 2 millimeters per second and listen for the first Krav Maga sound. Once you do have the blood pressure, you will release to deflate the cuff all the way to make sure that it is completely deflated. You never want to take a blood pressure more than twice on the same arm, and you never want to reinflate the cuff once it is placed on the arm and you've already had it inflated. You do not want to reinflate until it is completely deflated. And that is how you take a proper blood pressure. Thank you.